Today, I'm going to show you an essential trick, how to restore bookmarks in Chrome. Whether you accidentally deleted a bookmark you really needed, or you're just curious how to recover something you thought was gone for good. By the end of this video, you'll feel totally confident managing and rescuing your saved pages in Google Chrome. Let's dive right in and make sure you never lose an important link again. First up, open your Google Chrome browser. You can do this by clicking the Chrome icon on your desktop, your taskbar, or wherever you usually keep it. If you're already in Chrome, that's perfect. No need to open a new window. Remember, these steps are exactly the same whether you're on Windows, Mac, or even a Chromebook. Once Chrome is open, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see an icon with 3 vertical dots. That's your main menu for even more settings and tools. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. If you ever get lost or aren't sure where something is, just remember the 3 dots are your gateway to all things Chrome. Now, hover your mouse over the Bookmarks and Lists section in that menu. Sometimes, depending on your Chrome version, it might just say Bookmarks. That's totally fine. What matters is this will bring up a submenu with all the Bookmarks tools at your disposal. This is where you'll find Bookmark Manager, which is Chrome's dedicated dashboard for keeping track of all your saved sites. Click on Bookmark Manager, and you'll see a full list of every bookmark you currently have. Here's a useful tip. The Bookmark Manager is more than just a list. It's a powerful way to organize, edit, or delete bookmarks. Sometimes we delete bookmarks without thinking, maybe to clean up clutter or just on accident. For this demo, we're actually going to delete one bookmark page just to illustrate how the restore process works. So pick any bookmark, maybe one you don't need at the moment, or if you're worried, just create a temporary one right now and use that. Right-click the bookmark and choose Delete from the options. Here's where the magic happens. As soon as you delete a bookmark, keep your eyes on the bottom left corner of your Chrome window. You'll see an Undo option pop up. It usually sticks around for a few seconds, so don't worry if you need a moment to find it. Think of this like a safety net. Chrome gives you a quick chance to change your mind, kind of like how email apps ask if you want to undo sending a message. If you want to restore that deleted bookmark, simply click the Undo button. Chrome will instantly bring your bookmark back right where it was. It's reassuring to know mistakes aren't permanent here. If you ever delete the wrong bookmark or have second thoughts, this undo feature is your friend. Just don't wait too long because the undo button does disappear after a few seconds, so act quickly if you need to rescue something. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to safely delete and, more importantly, restore bookmarks in Chrome. This quick tip can save you a ton of hassle, especially if you're juggling lots of links for work, study, or personal use. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and let me know if you have any questions down in the comments. I'm always happy to help out. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical guides just like this and hit the bell so you never miss a useful tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.